He's still on there. That's like 2 years ago.
My name is David Hartman, and I'm an attorney with the Law Department of the City of Chicago in the Federal Civil Rights Litigation Division. I first learned about the Legal Prep Mentor Program through the Chicago Bar Association. It's been a great experience for the last 2 years with Zion.
After I graduated, we were on a first name basis. I think I found a friend for life in David.
At first, he was, honestly a little distant. I think that's some healthy skepticism on his part.
As a teenager, you have the mentality that it's easier to talk to a teenager because they think like me, opposed to an adult when you're like, they probably won't understand. But he gives that sense of comfort to where you could come to him for anything, any situation. You know he won't judge you, and you know he'll do his best to help you through it.
He's really matured, and it's been incredible to watch that. He really embraced it over the course of these last 2 years.
David drove me. My personal relationship with David drove me, so I was there every month.
It's just such a unique and refreshing experience. Getting to know the kids, experiencing the enthusiasm they have for the mentoring program.
You know they're there for you, and I think that's a great thing to be involved in.
Man, Ron is cool. Like he got successful, and I want to be successful like him and my other mentor, Xavier. He was inspiring because we somewhat come from the same background. We both was the ones that's trying to do something different than the rest of our family doing, or not trying to get pulled into what's around us. I could see myself in his position and being successful.
I think getting to know the students and them getting to know you really makes a difference. It takes a while to establish that, as you would expect it would. But once you do, you realize that you can have an impact on an individual's life. And it might surprise you, but they can have an impact on your life as well.
My favorite memory with David, one weekend we went to the Museum of Science and Industry and we saw the Lego exhibit.
He's got this interest in engineering. I think that was really fun for both of us.
And we just went to the museum, we hung out, visited exhibits, went out to eat before, and we just talked about life, financial responsibilities I'm going to take on after college, and the actual college process, what I'm going to major in, how confident am I in myself that I'm going to finish. And he just gave me advice about how he got through it.
To be able to make even a small difference in improving communities that we live in and helping individuals at a young age realize how important that is and then take that and carry it on in their lives, there's no better reason to get involved.
You can have a real substantive impact on a young man or woman who has a lot of potential, is at a good school that's working really hard on their behalf, but every little bit counts. And the more people working on behalf of these students, the better.
It's important to build those resources and those relationships now. So when I get there, I have people to lean on, people to push me, people to motivate me to actually finish. And I think David will be a big part in that.